It's so cute. I don't think I could put it on now. I don't think it will look right if I put it on now. Ugh. Like, what the fuck? No, no. I'm not worthy of this headband right now, okay? This isn't worth a wash and go. Understand that.
Truly the greatest, baby. All hail to my favorite lady. And I would elevate your name, but I'm saying you already an angel, baby.
Shawty bad, slim, thick. She might drug, she might fix. And I'm all up in her mix. She be mixing with the wrist. She the plug, she finesse. She the one they call the ghost. She don't stress, she don't trip.
Hi guys. I know I've been gone for a long time. I'm sorry. I don't post videos like as often as I should, but I am back nonetheless. As you can see, I have changed my hair color. Looked a little different, but beside that, I wanted to show you guys what I got for basically myself for Christmas, and I wanted to basically do a lightweight review on the item that I got. It's really cute, you guys, and I'm about everything glitter, okay? Everything. Look at, here is my glitter man. Anywho, I was looking for just some type of headpiece to wear for Christmas. I had one outfit in mind. I hate that because, you know, when you have one outfit in mind, you have one look, you are determined to get this look down to a T, okay? So I had this outfit in my mind, and I was like going in all the stores, finding out what I could wear with it, with jewelry, with accessories, all that stuff that I could wear with it. So I did some research. I started Googling, and I see this headpiece that's on Nicki Minaj and Keisha Kaur and Missy Elliott. And I'm like, I need that piece. So I go on the internet. It's the Gucci headband, the Gucci crystal headband. Let me tell you, that thing, the little headband, was about $1,000. I don't have $1,000. So I went on YouTube and tried to look up, you know, how to make your own, you know, Gucci inspired headband. There wasn't a lot of videos on it, surprisingly, because this headband is popping, y'all. Like, I don't understand why nobody would make a video for real about that. But even with that, the videos that did exist on YouTube, they were mostly, you know, in the LA areas where there is a crystal store available for them to go and purchase the crystals and then the headband piece and just make it at home. I don't have that around here. I'm in the middle of nowhere. So, and I was way too impatient to sit here and wait for, you know, shipping for crystals and a headband. So, to make it myself. So even with more Googling, I came across an Etsy seller by the name of, ooh, I'm gonna mess this up, Phebian Creations, Phebian Creations. There's her information. She had a crystal headband. I think she might have made it, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think it's the real thing, but beyond the fact, it's beautiful, okay? That's all that matters. It's amazing, you guys, and I wanted to show you what it looks like and how it came and all that good stuff. All right, so the shipping on the headband I actually paid for overnight shipping, so it took her a day to make it, and then just a day to ship it, which was perfect because I needed it before Christmas, which I purchased it like probably a couple days before Christmas. And then when I got it, it came in this yellow USPS envelope. It was the standard envelope. I threw it away because who keeps envelopes? Nobody. But what touched me not only was the headband, but what she also put inside of it, because she took the time to hand make all this stuff, write a special message. She put extra stuff in there. So inside of the envelope came another little envelope, and she wrote the name of the company and my name, and it's just a thank you card for purchasing with her. And she wrote happy holidays, which is really simple, really cute. That was really cute of her, and I love that little special touch that she did. She also included some Family Feud cards. It was like the Family Feud game and cards. I don't know, it was nice. She didn't have to do that. Also, she left her Etsy card, of course. I'm going to put all of that information in the description bar below, so just in case you guys want to check out her store or buy this headband, because it's so cute, you guys. The headband came in this box, which I love, by the way. It fit perfectly in here, and it's good for storage because I had nowhere to put this headband if it just came by itself in the wrapping or whatever. And she had really cute, wrapping paper in here, but I threw the other one away. So let's get to this headband time. This thing is heavy, just letting you know. It's really cute, and I'm gonna need to put this in front of the light so you guys can definitely see the detail on this. But that is the Gucci colors. It is definitely Gucci inspired. I'm feeling very Gucci-ish right now. Yes, darling, yes. But it's super cute, and I have a huge head, and this fits perfectly, okay? Let me tell you. And you can tell, it doesn't look like it's gonna fall off or anything. Like, it doesn't look cheaply made or whatever. But yeah, this isn't no sequence or nothing that she just glued on a headband, because let me tell you, I would have been pissed, okay, if she would have did that. But these are, it's actually really heavy, you guys. I'm gonna do a close-up for you. All right, guys, this is the headband. It is so freaking gorgeous. Like, I can't even, just look at how it's glistening, y'all. Like, I can't. And like I said, it doesn't look exactly like the Gucci one on the Gucci website, but I mean, shit, I can deal with this. Okay? I have no issues wearing this on my head. As a matter of fact, I've worn it a couple times. And like I said, it's really well constructed, like very well constructed. I'm gonna fold it so that you guys can see. And it doesn't look like they're gonna fall off at all. They haven't even come loose. I've had this I've had it since Christmas, and today is July. Jesus Christ. Today is January 8th. So, I've had it for a little while now. And I've worn it a couple times. So, and for it to be worn as much as I've worn it, it's really good. And then the stitching on the back, of course, is really good too. And when I ordered this, I did not have to tell her my head measurements or anything. It just, it just came to fit my big ass head. That's it. But yeah, this is gorgeous. Shining, 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 yeah. Alright guys, that was it. I just wanted to show you the most beautiful headband in the world. That's all. I'll see you in my next video.